Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video I wanted to explain to you about the changes in the Windows Insider program and how rings are going away. If you've seen in my other videos, I do a lot of videos with hands-on with test versions of Windows 10. Here you can see I've got a virtual machine on the fast ring. This machine I'm on now is on release preview ring, and I've got machines on the slow ring. And the Microsoft are changing the rings. So I wanted to explain to you pretty quickly how Microsoft are changing things. They do provide a handy chart which I've got here, and here you can see the different rings. So if you're joining the Insider program, you get to choose your machine, whether it gets on the slow ring, the fast ring, or the release preview ring, and that's what you've got currently. And the way it works is the release preview ring, you just get updates to the updates to apps and drivers and patches to the currently shipping version. So if you're on the May 2020 update, release preview will just give you updates to that. Slow ring, the next one up, that was used for testing the next version of Windows 10, so that will perhaps be the 20H2, the next update coming at the second half of this year. And then fast ring, and at some point there was a skip ahead ring, gives you the test versions that Microsoft are trying out new features. So it's not specifically tied to a new build or a new update, you just get these test builds. And what they're doing, they're changing these rings to channels. So the fast ring and what was skip ahead is going to become the dev channel. So this is the one that's going to give you new builds, probably weekly, have some bugs in them, have maybe some new features in them, and aren't designed for production machines. These are the most likely ones to sort of crash a machine, but you get the latest build to test it. So that's the dev channel. The beta channel is effectively what's coming next. So as I mentioned before, the slow ring it was used for the same thing. The beta channel is going to be testing the next version of Windows 10, the next update of Windows 10, and then the release preview channel is just going to be those drivers and app updates and patches coming to the currently shipping version of Windows 10. So those are the changes. So really they're just name changes, but Microsoft are doing this because they're moving away from doing it fast and slow, so based on time. They're doing it based on build quality, but I think it makes sense now that they've got a channel for the next update, a channel for things that are in testing, in progress, and a channel of just the latest patches and that kind of thing. So I think that makes sense, and you can see why they've done it. Hopefully they're going to get some new features into the dev channel, because the recent fast ring builds have been a bit lacking in features. In fact, they haven't had any features for some time, so hopefully that will change soon. But there you go, so those are the changes. So here you can see a release preview. You can choose which one you're on, and this text is going to change, and it's going to reflect those changes later this month. So there you are. If you're interested in joining the Insider program, I've got a separate video on actually how to do that. If you don't want to join the Insider program and you just want to see the latest build videos, then I've also got those on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one.